Hey there! Are you someone trying to incorporate UX, UI, or design in your life? Or are you someone looking to change their careers and want to give UX, UI a shot? Well, if that's you, you're at the right place. This course is the best for someone who wants to give UX, UI design a shot and get a taste of what it's all about. So check out this course and let us know in the comments below your thoughts.
Hey there! Welcome to the UX Design Discovery course. I'm Sneha, your mentor for this exciting journey. I'm here to guide you through the wonderful world of user experience design. And guess what? I'm not only your mentor, but I'm also your virtual companion on this adventure. Meet my avatar version. Ta-da! Throughout this course, we'll explore various UX theories and concepts. And to make it more practical and engaging, we'll use a real-life case study as our reference point. By the end of this course, you'll achieve two amazing things. You'll have a better understanding of UX/UI concepts and theories. This means you'll understand and get a glimpse of what goes behind the scenes on how to create designs that are user-friendly and enjoyable for people to use. And secondly, you'll get to create a landing page for a product of your own choice using an AI tool called Durable. Durable is an incredible tool that uses artificial intelligence to assist you in designing stunning web pages. With Durable, you'll be able to bring your ideas to real life in a quick and efficient manner, making your landing page creation process even more exciting. Let's dive in. Let's dive deeper into the course introduction and objectives of this UX Design Discovery course. This course is designed to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of UX/UI design principles and their practical application in creating compelling landing pages. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience in design, this course will equip you with valuable skills to take your landing page designs to the next level. Throughout this course, our main goal is to help you understand UX/UI design principles and also guide you in creating compelling landing pages. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll understand UX/UI design principles. We'll explore the fundamental principles of design that make landing pages effective and user-friendly. You'll learn how to create designs that captivate and engage your audience. Second, we'll learn some user research techniques. We'll show you how to gather insights about your target audience through methods like interviews, surveys, and user personas. Understanding your users' needs and preferences will help you create landing pages that resonate with them. Then we'll analyze market trends and competitors. We'll teach you how to analyze industry trends and competitors to create attractive landing pages. You'll learn to identify what sets your brand apart and make informed design decisions. And then we'll apply design principles and heuristics. We'll cover design principles like visual hierarchy, typography, color schemes, and imagery. You'll discover how to use these elements to create visually appealing and effective landing pages. We'll introduce you to Durable, an intuitive AI-powered tool for website creation. You'll learn how to leverage Durable's features to design stunning landing pages without any coding knowledge. And finally, you'll learn how to test, optimize, and analyze landing pages. We'll guide you through the process of testing and optimizing your landing pages. You learn techniques like A/B testing and gathering user feedback to improve your designs continuously. Now, throughout this course, we'll use a real-life case study on HKTV Mall, a popular e-commerce platform. This case study will provide practical examples to illustrate the concepts we discuss. And here's something cool. The example was created by students from Xccelerate, who were part of the UX/UI design course. Now they're successful designers. By studying this example, we can learn from their experiences and get inspired by their success. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to create impactful landing pages that engage your audience and drive conversions. We'll provide step-by-step guidance to ensure your success regardless of your design background. So, are you ready to dive into the UX/UI design world and start creating stunning landing pages? Let's get started. Now let's talk about the exciting goal we have for you through this course. creating an impactful landing page with Durable. Our goal goes beyond just learning UX/UI design principles. We want to provide you with a practical and immersive experience by allowing you to launch a product of your own choice through a captivating landing page. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a landing page? Well, think of it like a sneak peek or a preview of something you want to share with others. It's a web page that shows important information about your product, like pictures, descriptions, and maybe even a way for people to sign up or buy it. It's like the doorway that invites people to learn more and get excited about what you have to offer. Imagine being able to apply everything you learn in this course to create a tangible outcome. This hands-on approach will enable you to gain valuable experience in UX design while taking your product idea from concept to a tangible outcome. While the course is designed to be completed quickly, the focus is on providing you with a foundational understanding of UX/UI design principles and guiding you through creating a landing page for your product. By incorporating what you learn about conducting user research, analyzing market trends, and applying design principles, you can create a landing page that effectively communicates your product's value and engages your target audience. This is an excellent starting point for beginners and those looking to gain practical experience in UX design. It's an opportunity for you to showcase your ability to apply design principles and create a functional landing page. So, prepare to embark on this exciting journey of learning UX design and launching your product through a captivating landing page. Let's dive in and turn your product idea into a reality. Let's briefly talk about Figma and its collaborative whiteboarding tool called Figjam. Figma is a powerful design tool professionals use to create stunning user interfaces and prototypes. It allows designers to collaborate in real time, making it an excellent choice for remote teams. In addition to its design capabilities, Figma also offers Figjam, a versatile tool that helps teams brainstorm, organize ideas, and collaborate visually. Figjam provides a virtual space to create diagrams, mind maps, user flows, and much more. While Figjam can be a valuable asset for your design process, it is not a mandatory tool for this course. We won't be using Figjam extensively during the course, as our primary focus is on learning UX/UI design principles and using Durable to create your landing page. However, I do encourage you to explore both Figma and Figjam in your own time. Figma offers a range of features and resources that can enhance your design skills and streamline your collaboration. So if you're curious to learn more about Figma and Figjam, I recommend checking them out. But remember, they're not required to complete the course successfully.
Congratulations if you made it this far. You have what it takes to become a UX/UI designer or incorporate UX in your career. So I highly recommend to keep the momentum going and to finish this course if you haven't already. And if you have, check out Xccelerate.co for more options.